Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create page core effect in Adobe Photoshop step-by-step tutorial without any stress. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about Photoshop tutorial, you get notified. And lastly, if you have any question for me as far as the tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can create a powerful page core text effect, page core effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to head over to your toolbar and make sure you choose your rectangular marquee tool. So when you choose your rectangular marquee tool, so you have to draw it on area you would like to have the page core. Okay, so once you are able to get to this point, the next step you need to take is to select your gradient tools. So when you select your gradient tools, you have to come to the gradient palette here and make sure you choose the gradient color of your choice. So I'm going to use this particular one right here, and then you can easily drag from the bottom to the top or from the top to the bottom and make sure it snaps to the edge of the shape. Boom. Next thing you have to do right here is to go to your edit from the home tab right here, click on edit. So if I click on edit, you have to look for transform, free transform. Then once you are able to get to this page, the next thing you have to do is to right click on your free transform and look for wrap. Then right here, you can control your wrap and see how you want your page to core. Everything depends on how best you want your page to core. So once you drag, and then you can easily control and expand your page core at the likes. So once you are satisfied with the curve, then you have to come to the home tab here, click on this check mark to accept the curve. So once you free the free transform, you have to come to the home tab here, go to select, and then choose deselect, or you press Ctrl D on your keyboard to deselect. Next thing you have to do here is to apply drop shadow. For you to do that, you have to come to the layer panel here and right click on the image layer and make sure you choose blending option. So once you choose your blending option, you have to select drop shadow, and then you can easily adjust and control how best you want your shadow to look like on the page core. So you can change from multiply to normal and increase the distance. Once you are satisfied with the page, with the shadow, you click on OK. So for you to work on the layer right here, so the next thing you have to do is to go to your clone stamp tools, and you can press hotkey on your keyboard to select a sample. Oh, sorry for that. Press shift key on your keyboard and select. Then you can begin to paint with your clone stamp tools. So you can increase the brush size of your clone stamp tools and paint all around. You're able to apply your clone stamp tools to clean off every area unwanted. We can come to the background layer here. We can add background color of your choice. So for you to do that, you have to select a rectangle tools and just click and hold down and draw a perfect triangle So once you're able to draw a perfect rectangle, so you can easily change the color to whatever color of your choice. So let's see red. Then with that, we can easily disable the effect and drop the shadow. You disable the drop shadow. Okay, so we can right click again and go back to the drop shadow. Right click and blending option, so we can just adjust the drop shadow of the effect. So double click on the drop shadow, and then you can adjust the spread of the shadow, and you can adjust the size, you can adjust the distance, you can adjust the spread. So we're trying to achieve a little bit difference. So once you are able to satisfy, then click on OK. And boom. So this is how you can add page core effect into your photo in Photoshop step-by-step tutorial. I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and also don't forget to subscribe for more tutorial like this in Photoshop. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.